I've replaced all. Now it's time to test. So this is exactly fitting, sliding as it is supposed to be. So this dishwasher rack wheel, you see these wheels are damaged. You can see here. And let me take this out. You see, this is how the design is for the current one. Okay, this has a wheel. So whenever you're trying to buy any spare, just check how the wheel looks like. Okay, now here you see this is how the design looks like. But when I tried reaching out to the OEM, they said that they don't sell the wheel separately and I'll have to buy this entire rack, which will cost approximately $135 plus taxes. So that is not an option which I have, and I have gone with these wheels which are available on Amazon. While it might look slightly different as a design, this is perfectly going to work. I'll show you once everything is attached. So you see here, this both design wise looks different, but from a functional point, it will do the same function. Taking this out was not very easy, so I had to use you see here, now this is getting replaced. This goes like this and then press, and now you see this is completely fixed. These are not as sturdy as the original one. These are little plasticky, but the old one was completely damaged. So this replacement works that way. I've replaced all. Now it's time to test. So this is exactly fitting, sliding as it is supposed to be.